What if I told you that there is an app that could potentially replace every single translator and voiceover actor in the future? So all that you gotta do is go to the HeyGen website. Here you will upload your file, which will be the video, where you're speaking in any language, and it'll automatically detect the language you're using in the video. And all you gotta do next is just select the language that you want to use and translate the video. And it'll take some time if you're using the free version, but if you have the pro version, you'll skip the queue and the result will surprise you. So the thing is that I can be talking in any language, and this app will actually understand the language that I'm using, and then it'll try to analyze the voice that I have, and then it'll try to copy it.
Quindi la cosa è che posso parlare in qualsiasi lingua e questa app capirà effettivamente la lingua che sto usando, poi cercherà di analizzare la mia voce e poi cercherà di copiarla.
So you can use it with any language and translate it to multiple languages at one time. So which is pretty impressive. So all you need to do is just upload your file, and once you're done with it, AI will do the rest for you. So no need to worry and just enjoy the app.
Carica il file, l'IA farà tutto il resto, non preoccuparti, goditi l'app, ciao.
To me, this opens an endless world of opportunities. That's why I would encourage everyone to try this technology. It's very easy to use. So let's see who can benefit from AI video translations. So number one is content creators. Whether you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, or social media enthusiast, the tool opens new avenues for global viewership. Reach audience worldwide without the constraints of language barriers. Number two, business and marketers. Expand your market reach by translating promotional videos, ads, and presentations. Connect with diverse demographics and potential clients across the globe. Number three, educators and e-learning platforms. Enhance accessibility and inclusivity in education. Translate lectures, tutorials, and course content to make learning more accessible to a diverse audience. Number four, travel enthusiasts. Make travel vlogs and videos more engaging and informative. Connect with locals and share your experiences in their native language. Number five, multilingual families and communities. Facilitate communication among members of multilingual households or communities. Share moments and memories in a way that everyone can understand and enjoy. Number six, global communicators. Bridge the gap between international colleagues, friends, and acquaintances. Facilitate effective communication in a variety of professional and personal contexts. And number seven, language learners. Improve language skills by watching videos in your target language with the support of subtitles or voiceovers in your native language. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit this like button. Thanks for watching. Peace.